My advisory teacher told me that I need to use IXL for my reading, so this is how I got into it. I got in my portal and clicked on Schoology, and I clicked on Courses. After you do that, you go to your advisory, click on that, and then you see the first folder, you click on Student Links for Enduring Success. After you open the folder, you go to this IXL LA/reading directions. Click on that, and you open the Google Doc, and you make a copy for it. Make a copy. And you can save it into your Google Drive after you make a copy. But this is for your pathway to pass the MCA test, your learning target. And if you're doing this for the first time, you open IXL using this link, click on it. Your username is your student ID, so your ID for school, and the password is Edina. And you follow all the directions on the document. So click on Diagnostic for Language Arts, spend 15 minutes answering questions, and close the IXL program when finished. The next time you log in, you click on Recommendations in the upper left side of your screen, select a skill to practice for 15 minutes, and close the IXL program when finished. So that's how I accessed my pathway for IXL. Thank you.